If you want to turn any song or audio clip into a custom ringtone on your iPhone using GarageBand, here's the simplest way to do it. Open GarageBand and start with any audio recorder or instrument. Then switch to tracks view so you can edit freely. Import the audio you want or record something directly and trim it down. Remember, ringtones must be under 30 seconds, so keep it tight and clean. You can adjust volume, fade in or out, or cut out any unwanted parts. Once you're happy, tap the arrow icon in the top left and select My Songs to save it. Press and hold on your project, tap Share, then choose ringtones and give it a name. After it exports, select Use Sound As if you want it right away. Or later go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, Ringtone to apply it manually. No iTunes, no computer, just your phone, GarageBand, and a few edits to create a completely personalized ringtone. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.